Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use Stripe to receive online payments using sandbox mode, and it will be a complete beginner friendly video. I will break down step by step on this tutorial. This is perfect if you are testing a website, app or e-commerce platform and want to make sure your payment system actually working or not. So before going live, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be understand what is Stripe and what actually Stripe Sandbox is it. So Stripe Sandbox is a test environment that stimulates real transactions without processing actual payments. It's great for testing your checkout flow. It ensures your Stripe integration really working or not. It trying different card payment scenarios. You can test all this using fake card numbers provided by Stripe. So first of all, you just need to be create an Stripe account and you just need to be switched to test mode. So if you are hearing Stripe about new, then I will discuss about how you can create an account. I will just copy this one, then I will open it into the incognito window, and here you can see this one will be the actual interface. So here you can see this is the product solutions developer. So here you just need to be click on sign in. Once you click over here, then it will give you the options to create an account. So I will always click on this create account, and then here they will provide us an options called sign up with Google. I will select this one. Once I click this one, then here eventually it is the simplest one, that's why I choose this one, because I just don't need to be input any data manually in here. So I will select this one, then it will redirect me to here. It is really easiest one. Once you logged in, you will be landed into the dashboard. On the left sidebar, toggle view test data to 1, then the plus, like this puts Stripe into a sandbox mode. So here you can see we are already in sandbox mode, but here you, if you want to click over here, then it will shift you to the live account. Then now everything you do from adding products to stimulating payments is safely in test mode. So let's access API key for testing. So in the dashboard you will get the options called developer API keys. Here you will find out on this place connect, then here payments, billing, reporting. So here you will get the options called developer API key. So you just need to be copy those. You will see publish key, secret key. These are the key you will use to connect your website or app to Stripe Sandbox, and let you note that it never expose your secret key in front-end code. Use it server side only. So here you can see that is the code API key, publish key and secret key. In the right corner on the top you will get this code. So once you find out all the thing, then I will shift a new thing that's called set up a product or payment link. So here like use Stripe checkout, like you just don't need to be code anything. So without getting any knowledge on coding, you are allowed to create your Stripe checkout. So here into the shortcut sections you will get the options called payment links, then payment analytics, connect overview, capital connect. So here you just need to be click this payment links. Once you click over here, then here you can see we have couple of products already integrated here, even though we are going to create a new one for you. So you just need to be click on create options, or you can click on new. Just click on them. I will click on new. Once I click over here, then here you just need to be choose a product or create a new one. So here I can choose a existing product here, so I will select this one, and eventually here you can see our product has been added. You can set price and currency also. If you want to create a new product, you are allowed to create it here. So here we have a couple of options to create. Then once you set the price and currency, then you just need to click on create link. Here in the top of the right corner you will find out this one. So here you can see you have optional options, like you can collect customer address, then you can collect tax automatically, then you can require customer provide phone number, include free trial, then limit the number of payments. So I will uncheck all of them, just only enable this one, limit the number of payments on time. Then I will click on create link. Just click on create link. Once I click over here, then eventually it will be done. So you just need to copy and paste this link in a new browser tab. Here you can see this is the link, just copy it, then try to completing the checkout with test card number. Let's paste it here, and eventually you can see our product has been done. We can pay with the link, we can pay with the Amazon Pay, we can pay with the card also. So now in the next step, we are going to use test and card numbers. Use this Stripe test card. Like let's find out some dummy Master card information, and here you will get couple of options like temporary Mastercard. So I will click on this one, test card numbers. So from that place I will copy, such as this one. So here we have couple of options, so I will copy this one, then I will paste it here into this place. Then similarly I will copy the date. So let's go and let's copy this one. So I can provide any date, any future date. So here I will copy, paste it here, 12/28. Then provide CVC, any 3 digits. So I will provide it in 3 digits. Then let's provide a name, that will be my name. Then select the region Bangladesh and securely. So here you can provide your secret, save my information for one-click checkout. You can provide your number over that place. So I already provide all the necessary things over that place. You can give an email also here. Once you provide an email, then you can see that our subscribe button has been enabled. So here if you click on the subscribe, then they will ask for save, and it start their processing, and thanks for subscription. As you can see the result that our purchase has been completed and it has been done. So if you come to this place, here you can see that our product has been saved, and details you will get over that place. So if you click on this home, and let's check this out here, eventually you can see one purchase has been done. Here you can check this out, this is the purchase. Let's click on view, and here you can see that our purchase bank summary incoming. So in this way you can test your sandbox also. So once you're done, once you check all the things, then you can go ahead and talk about simulated refund and disputes and more. Like in test mode you can issue refund for test transaction, simulate disputes or chargebacks, and test webhooks and email receipt. This helps you prepare for real world issues before going live. So after completing all the necessary things, now you are ready to go live. Once you're ready to accept real payments, you just need to be toggle view test data off, replace test API with keys with live API key, and then test a real purchase. Stripe is now live and ready to process all the necessary things. So let's wrap up the video here, and that's how you can use Stripe to receive online payments. And it was a complete beginner video. So I hope you love this video. If this video helped, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any further question, you can ask me on the comment box. I am really happy to assist you. So let's wrap up the video here. I will catch you in the next video.